Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a PCB using Allegro, and after finishing the simulation you need to make a PCB file for that the opened Allegro OrCAD X from your computer, and make sure everything in the DRC here, as you can see here, there is no any warning and error and it's empty. And next is annotating the schematics. As you can see here, right click and select annotate. Although the OrCAD automatically annotate the schematic, but I want to show you this uh, menu in the OrCAD. You can use the reset part references, and again you can put the incremental reference update. Because I did already, no, I skip this for now. Um, Make sure you have another thing is make sure you have all the footprint for the component. Otherwise you can see the error footprint missing in the DRC. And select the how and for the yes, select PCB and click on the new layout. Select the PCB, new layout, and change this board name. The folder is Allegro in your project folder, and here is the PCB name. As you can see here, I have two uh, PCB file. One is the final that I did, and final 2, and I will make a final 3, and then click OK. And new because this was open. And again, try to make a new layout, and OK, and yes, the Allegro will open. As you can see, here is a canvas, and is a black. This is not our board. This is just for the software. We need to make a like a board dimension. First, go to the General Edit, Placement Edit. As you can see, there is a component that we simulate in the OrCAD X. Now is appear in the OrCAD Allegro. And another thing is edit and general edit is that your layer that you want to make. And general edit, go to the setup design parameter, go to the setup design parameter, and here in the design tab you will change this one to the millimeter, and click OK. And the size, no need to change other things, and click OK. Everything will be in millimeter. I don't use the mil. If you can, if you can use the mil, you can just skip this step. Go to the general edit, and then click rectangle, and then go to the board geometry, board outline, and then select outline, and then unfilled. I choose unfilled because I want to make my board dimension. Yes, as you can see, this is my board dimension. Yes, click and done. This is what the area for my board. And the next is the board stack up. Click here, extension, X section, and you can see FR4. I change to the 0.035 and 0.035, and this one is 1.5 millimeter. The the thickness should be 1.6 millimeter. It depends on what you design. But in general, these numbers for two-layer board is enough. And then OK, and then go to the place component manually. You can see here it shows all of the components that we made in the simulation. I try to make a neat, clean and neat component placement. Here is the component placement. It shows there is a some LED library doesn't have in the missing the footprint. I change to the R resistors, select, 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 and this is the last. And you can after you finish all of things that it shows the green and DRC, and the DRC here update. You don't have any uh, problem in the no DRC error detected. And let's go to route this PCB by clicking this. Let me add some more component first. Place, edit component manually. Let me put some chip in the board outline. Yes, and then cancel. As you can see, this is the pre-connection. You need to connect these two pins together for connecting and routing. Go to this shape, connect, add a connect here, and you can see this one. But you can change the thickness of your route. This for electronic circuit, that's enough. But for the high power application, it needs to be more thicker. I will choose 0.3 millimeter. That one is better. So let's make a connection. Escape, done. You can change the everything. You can change by selecting this. You can change the anything that you want. And here is the recent design. This is what no. Here is my board, the digital clock that I show you. This is 4-layer board. This is the 7 segment. This is the chip, and this is counters. Yes, I hope you understand what is the how can easy make a PCB in OrCAD. Thank you for watching.